Lead magnets are dead. The PDF nobody reads, the email course nobody finishes, the free checklist that ends up in spam, all dead. And if that's still your strategy for capturing attention on your website, you're losing people before they even know what you do. Here's what happened. Everyone got the same playbook. Give away a free thing, collect an email, nurture the sequence. And it worked in 2017. But now, every website has the same pop-up, the same generic offer, and the same result. People bounce. They've been trained to ignore it. Your website has about 8 seconds to prove you're not like everyone else. A static PDF doesn't do that. So what actually captures attention now? Experience. Something interactive, something that gives people immediate value before they ever give you their email. Not a promise of value, actual value, right there on the page. Think about it from the visitor's perspective. Would you rather download a 5 Steps to Better Health PDF or take a 60-second assessment that gives you a personalized score with real insight about where you stand right now? That's exactly what I built. It's called the Vitality Index. It's an interactive tool that lives directly on my client's website. No download, no opt-in wall. You engage with it, you get something useful immediately, and by the time you're done, you actually want to have a conversation. That's the difference between interruption and invitation. The principle is simple. Stop trading a bribe for an email address. Start building tools that demonstrate your expertise in real time. When someone experiences your thinking, not just reads about it, trust compresses. The sales cycle shortens, and you stand out from every other website in your space that's still running the 2017 playbook. If you want something like this on your website, an interactive tool that actually captures attention and starts real conversations, send me a message. I'll show you how I built this and how we can build one for you.